Hi boys and girls, this is for Tuesday, February 25th. It is a day 3. This is your home learning assignment. Right now you're watching this video. Please make sure you take some time to do a devotional this morning. It always helps me to get my head straight and just remind myself why I do what I'm doing and that I'm going to focus on doing it well. You have music today, so please make sure to check on the music seesaw. Mrs. Yap will have posted some activity for you to do. Today for Bible, we're done with our parable project, so if you haven't submitted that yet in Seesaw, that should be your priority before you do any other Bible exercise. This is actually going to be the lesson for the entire week, because what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making a parable comic strip. And so you need to make sure you go to the Parable Project comic strip activity on Seesaw, and there's a lesson for how to create your own comic strip, and you can do that online using a Storybook app, I think, or if you'd prefer to do it a traditional way, you can print out this template at home and hand draw it. You do not need to submit anything on Seesaw today. You will submit your completed comic strip on Monday, March 2nd. So that's just for you to know that don't submit anything. I don't need to see the progression. I'll just see your final product at the end. Make sure you're watching the video and reading the directions very carefully. You also have art today, so make sure you see what Mrs. Camus posted on the Seesaw. It is an ocean scene perspectives art project. For math, we're moving forward with math. We have our test coming up soon, so please make sure you're staying on top of things for math. You have 4 tasks today and a quiz at the end. Some of you guys are still getting low scores on your quiz or exercise, and then I'm looking back and seeing, oh, they didn't even watch the video clip. So the video clip is kind of a lesson, just like what Miss Yang would give in class. Email me if you have any questions. You will also have a science lesson. Make sure you guys go to the Seesaw activity, why do plants give us fruit, and answer the discussion questions using the template. I hope that gives you a good idea of what I'm expecting you to do. Make sure you're checking your work, and I will be near my computer to answer any questions that you may have. All right, have a great day of learning.